So I've been building AI agents and AI workflows for quite some time now. And what that also means is that I've come across lots of problems and issues when I'm building these. So in today's video, I want to discuss the different AI systems and what differentiates them from each other. I'm also going to be giving some use cases and examples for each system. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So here we have a simple diagram that essentially divides the different AI systems into their own categories, starting with custom GPTs and ending with AI agents at the top here. And as we move up in the diagram, this also means that cost, maintenance, and complexity are also going to be increased. So at the very bottom here, we have custom GPTs, which are basically any text-based GPTs that require user input, such as ChatGPT or Gemini. The next category we have here is basic workflow automations, which are just workflows that don't have any AI involved. We then have AI workflows here, which are workflows that are powered by AI agents mainly. And lastly, we have AI agents at the top here. And what's great is that each of these individual systems have their own use cases. But the most important thing to remember is that we must be able to solve the problem first. Because what may happen is that a customer or client could come to you thinking that AI could solve their problems or solutions to their issues. But as the person trying to solve the problems to the issues, you shouldn't automatically jump straight to AI. But what you should do is actually diagnose the problem in order to find which solution actually fits the customer's needs best. So firstly, we're going to look at custom GPTs. And what custom GPTs are they a version of an AI model that's set up for a specific job, audience, or workflow. They follow clear instructions around the tone, expertise, and rules, and are given the right context for the task it needs to handle. So the custom GPTs will have a knowledge base that it will use for when users ask questions, and it'll be able to answer any questions based around that knowledge base. And the main goal is to get more accurate, consistent, and useful results for a defined use case like customer support, content creation, or even data analysis, without having to explain what you want every single time you use it. So because you're giving the GPT all the information, every single time you use the GPT, you won't have to tell it about the information. It will just be able to answer those because it knows everything about that topic. And last thing to remember about these GPTs are that they are always 100% reactive, meaning that they will only take action once a user has given input. So now we're going to look at workflow automation. And what a workflow automation is that it's the use of technology to design, execute, and manage recurring tasks or processes with minimal human intervention. It replaces manual repetitive actions with automated steps that follow predefined rules and logic without the use of intelligence. So because AI isn't involved and the workflow is using tools that have already been set up and configured, the outputs are always going to be the same and there's going to be no surprise outputs or different sorts of outputs. And these workflows are an upgrade from custom GPTs because they are 100% automated, meaning that they can run in the background without any user input. Now, in terms of AI workflows, they're actually very similar to normal automation workflows, except AI is actually used at specific points in the workflow. So in terms of the order and structure, it's actually exactly the same as normal automation workflows, except that the AI will make content-specific choices and improve the intelligence of the workflow. And now, lastly, we have AI agents, which are systems that use artificial intelligence to autonomously perform tasks, make decisions, and interact with data, tools, or users. They follow defined goals, instructions, and learn from inputs and adapt to its actions to produce accurate and efficient outcomes with minimal human involvement. So what differentiates the AI agents from the workflow systems, the AI-based workflow systems, or just the regular workflow systems, is that the AI agent itself is the one that's making the decisions and creating all the actions. So now that we've gone over the different types of AI systems that you can build, if you're still stuck and you don't know how to decide on which system you can build, I made a quick diagram to clear those things up. So the first question is user input always required? If so, then custom GPT is the best option. And if not, then we can move on to the next question, which is, are the steps logic-based? Meaning that, is the AI going to follow specific conditions or code? And if so, then we'll go to a regular workflow. And if not, again, we have the last question, which is, are the order of actions fixed? If so, then we'll choose an AI workflow. And if not, we'll choose an AI agent if we want more intelligence or specific custom tools and rules. So I hope this lesson was useful to you guys and you gained more of an insight on the different AI systems, types, and which to choose from. However, if you still feel unclear on this, then feel free to send me a message in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to help. I also have a free community on school.com where I share all my tools and content. And we also have a growing community of 30 people at the moment who are really interested in AI and want to learn more. And I'm trying to get that number to 100 by the end of this month, so feel free to join. The link will be in the description below. And lastly, if you did find this video useful and you did learn something, please feel free to like the video because it helps to push the video out to more people who also are struggling with these topics and want to learn more about AI. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one.